Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulihil kareem amma ba'd fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim wa qada rabbuka alla ta'budu illa iyyahu wa bil walidayni ihsana. Worthy President, judges, respected teachers and my dear brothers and sisters, the topic of my speech in today's annual competition is the rights of parents. Dear audience, Islam has declared kindness to parents as its basic teaching, and Allah Almighty has nurtured human beings in different relationships. Some of them have been made fathers, some have been given the status of mothers, and some have been given the status of sons, and some have been given the status of and some have been given the peer relationship of daughters. The Almighty has determined their rights by making a relationship. It is not necessary to pay for each of these rights, but the right of the parents is mentioned by Allah Almighty in Holy Quran immediately after His and obedience. He said, "This is an indication that the greatest rights in relationship belongs to the parents." And Allah mentions that human beings must recognize, and that this is second only to recognition of Allah Himself. In Holy Quran, Allah Almighty beautifully explained, وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِندَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدُهُمَا أَوْ كِلَاهُمَا فَلَا تَقُل لَّهُمَا أُفٍّ وَلَا تَنْهَرْهُمَا وَقُل لَّهُمَا قَوْلًا كَرِيمًا. And your Lord has declared and to appreciate love care that your parents. Good treatment whether on or both of them. Reach old age with you say no to them oof means an expression of irritation or disapproval. And do not to repel them but speak a noble words. And lower to them the wing humility out of mercy on them as the barautmi of small. Their audience, in Holy Quran, respect of parents is mentioned about 11 times. Allah Almighty has mentioned in every instance to recognize and to appreciate love care that your parents gave to you. Regarding this, Allah says in Holy Quran, وَوَصَّيْنَا الْإِنسَانَ بِوَالِدَيْهِ حُسْنًا. And we have enjoined upon man goodness to parents. The children must pray for saying as Allah Almighty teaches us in the words, be kind and have mercy on them as they cherished, nurtured and sustained me in childhood. From these words, we came to know that we have continued praying for even after they die. Such prayer will be regarded as a Prophet ﷺ told us, as being grateful to Allah Almighty. Allah Almighty is a worship which earns divine rewards. It can therefore be said that being grateful earns. Parents also earns divine rewarded. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.